Hello students, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about the resistor color coding, and along with that we will also start performing the experiments. Today's first experiment will be resistor color coding. For doing so we will use virtual labs. There are virtual labs given by the government of India through IITs. So we are going to use one virtual lab given by IIT Kharagpur. Before that, let us discuss few things. We'll revise few things about the resistor. So if we have to use resistor in some gadget, if you want to do some project in this semester at home, then we must be familiar with various components and how to use them practically. So to calculate various values in various electrical and electronic parameters, we use multimeter. So here we can see multimeter is shown. On this multimeter we can calculate voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, temperature, etc. So along with that we can also use multimeter to check the values of diodes and transistors. So today's topic is about measurement of resistance. Here you can see few two resistors are shown here. There another two resistors are shown. We will also see practically how to calculate the resistor along with this virtual lab in today's session. And the unit of resistance is ohms. So we will move to the virtual lab. The link of the virtual lab I will share in the description. Its link is vlab.co.in. So this is given by Ministry of HRD under the National Mission on Education through ICT. So in that we will go to the basic electronics lab. So here we have basic electronics lab. We'll go to this particular lab. Now in this lab we can see the description is given. This is basic electronics virtual laboratory. So here we will see the list of experiment, and here you can go through the introduction about the lab and how it is facilitated, and it is also available for the students and faculties. All those details you can read as per your convenience. So here we will see what do we have here for us. There is a list of experiment here. In this there are total 17 experiments. So as our syllabus progresses we will see the experiments also. So in experiment list, first one is familiarization with resistor. So let us click on this. We will see what is there in this. So in each experiment there is theory, there is a quiz, and the reference books are given. The reference books and notes I will share you shortly, and here we will see the theory. For theory we will use our PPT presentation. Here we have types of resistors and the color coding. All the resistors have color bands on them, and those color bands are used to check the value of resistor. How much is the value of that resistor, and what is function of resistor? To oppose the current. And these resistors are used to control the current in any circuit. So here we can see we have carbon film resistor, metal film resistor, or there are also other type of resistors called as wire bound resistors. So first let us discuss the theory, then we will see what do we have in the quiz and practical sessions. So we will move to the theory. Now color code. The resistor, whatever we have, there will be values given in terms of color band. Along with the value of resistance there will be value of tolerance that we will see. So how to calculate? The basic concept for the calculation is that there will be one resistor given, and on that there will be various colors. So we will call them as bands. So there will be band 1 with some color, band 2 with another color, band 3, band 4. There may be 3 bands, 4 bands, 5 bands, or 6 bands. How to calculate that? So first band will be related with one particular digit. Second band will also be related with some digit. Third band If there are 4 bands, then third band will be related with some multiplier. And all the colors have a fixed value. Here in this table we can see the values against the color. Say black color is there. If this is the black color, what is the value of this black color? It is 0. For brown color, it will be 1. Red 2. Orange 3. Yellow 4. Green 5. Blue 6. Violet 7. Grey 8. And white as 9. So this is from 0 to 9. These colors are 0 to 9, starting from black to white. So we have to remember we have 9 colors and every color have a fixed value. And along with that, the last band, if it is 4th band, if it is 5th band, or if it is 6th band, in few registers there may be 5 or 6 band. The last band will be considered for the tolerance. It may have any color, red, gold, silver, brown, and every color will have fixed amount of tolerance. For that table we will revise. Suppose if the last band is gold, so that means the tolerance is 5%. If the last band color is silver, then the tolerance will be 10%. What is meaning of tolerance? Suppose if value of my resistor is say 1000 ohms and tolerance is 10 ohms, then what does that mean? That means the actual value of resistor may not be 1000 ohm exactly, but it may be 10 ohms less or 10 ohms more. If it is 10%, then it may 100 ohms less or 100 ohms more. That means this value can vary from 900 ohm to 1100 ohm. So these are adjustable, manageable values of resistor. If we calculate them on multimeter, if the value is little bit less or more given in the specified tolerance, then we can use it. If it is beyond the capacity of tolerance, then we should not use it. It is not the appropriate resistor in that case. So then we have say tolerance. Say again we have some example. If we have a 1000 ohm resistance and with tolerance is 10%, so the actual value may change from 900 to 1100 ohm, because the exact value, the ideal value is not possible. There may be small variation, small error, but we should be able to define how much error we can tolerate and how much error we cannot tolerate, right? Then how to remember these colors? For remembering this color, in various books various techniques are given. Like we have black, brown and all those colors are there. So one method is to remember is formation of sentence. You can also create your sentence to remember this. Say one such statement is big brown rabbits often yield great big vocal groans when fingerly slapped. Or another simple example which is commonly given is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Here B.B. Roy means black, brown, red, orange, yellow. Great Britain, green and blue. So like this you have all the color codes. You can have your own method to remember the color codes starting from 0 and ending at 9. For resistors, usually resistors are represented in kilo ohms or mega ohms. I can say I have 1 kilo ohm resistance. So what is the meaning of kilo? Kilo stands for 1000. That means if I have 1000 ohm resistor, I can also call it as 1k ohm or 1k resistor. Similarly, there may be mega value, million. So capital M stands for mega or million. That means if I say I have 1 mega ohm, that means I have a 1 million ohm resistor. So we should also be able to remember the units, because there may be huge amount of resistance, there may be small amount of resistance. So usually we represent them in ohms, kilo ohms or mega ohms. We may have other values also for this particular resistor. So let us practice how to do this. So consider one example. You have to imagine here. Say you have orange, brown, gold. So for orange, what is the number of orange in our table? It is BBROY, B0, 1, 2, 3. So orange, the number for orange is 3. So first orange will give 3, next orange will give another 3. Third one, the brown is multiplier. So brown is 1. So 10 to the this brown multiplier becomes 0. It doesn't come into the count. So that 1 multiplier will give 3, 3, 0. So the resistance will be 330 ohms. Hello students, let us now discuss the calculation of resistance by directly using the actual resistor. Here we have few resistors, you can see, and all the resistors have various color bands given on them, and these color bands are used to decide the value of that particular resistor. So by using these bands, let us see how to calculate the resistance value. We will take any one sample resistor to calculate the values. Say this one we are taking up. So here we will see what are the colors. Here you can see from left, the first color is brown. So here we will note down the first one is say brown. So say we have a brown color. Then second is red. So next one is say red. Then you can see the third and fourth colors are black. So here we will write down black and one more black. So these are two blacks. And the last one is reserved for the tolerance. So last one is again brown, you can see. So here we will write down it as brown. Right. So color codings we can remember as, say for black it is, for black we have 0, first the digit will be 0. Then for brown we have 1. Then red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8, and white 9. So we are starting from the black ending at the white, starting from the 0 ending at 9. So what is color for this brown? For brown we have 1. So I will write down 1, first digit will be 1. Second is red. So for red the value is 2. So this here will write down 2. Third one is black. So black is first one 0. Right. Then second last. Always we have to remember second last will be multiplier. And the last one will be tolerance. Right. Tolerance means how much plus minus value we can tolerate and still we can use that particular resistor. So the last one is black. For black multiplier is 0, 10 to the power 0. So it will become 1. So here we have to multiply this particular value with 1. For brown tolerance value is given as say plus minus 1%. For this table is given in the presentation. We can use these values from the table. So what is the meaning? What is the value of this particular resistor? What we have discussed here, the value for this particular resistor is equal to 120 ohms with plus minus 1% tolerance. That means above 120 1% and below 120 1% value is adjustable. By connecting these two terminals to multimeter we can check the values, and this value should be 120 ohms. So let us go back to our discussion of the virtual lab and we will see what are the things given in the virtual lab. Let us now discuss few more examples. We have seen now how to calculate value of resistor practically by using the actual resistor. Now we will use few images for practicing and remembering them. So these are the resistor color codes given here. So here you can see in left side diagram, the first band is orange, that is 3. For orange the number is 3. Second band is white. For white the number is 9. Third one is the multiplier. So for yellow, multiplier is 10 to the power 3. So this is say 10,000. And the last one, if it is silver, that means the tolerance is plus minus 10%. Right. So what will be the actual resistance for this? 3, 9, we'll write as it is, into this multiplier value. So it will be 39 kilo ohms with plus minus 10% tolerance. Similarly, we have one more diagram here. The left side we can see these are like actual image of resistor like we have seen before some time. And then here we have the image. Say here we have first band red, second second green, third one is black, and the multiplier, the tolerance is silver, that is again for plus minus 10%. So this value will come to 25 into 1. Then how these resistors are used in particular gadget? Say we have one battery and we are connected it with some LED. We have seen the LED's connection in one session earlier. You can go to the playlist and you can watch it again if you have not seen. Along with this LED, we are connecting some resistor to control the current so that it should not get damaged. And in previous session we have also seen that LED is nothing but one type of diode. So according to these colors, suppose there are 3 colors, yellow, violet and brown, the value of resistor calculated will be 470 ohms. So like this we have to use the resistors in any given circuit. Now what we have to remember? Always we have to remember the colors black, brown, red, right? So all those colors you have to remember. So we will have the first digit with these numbers. If first digit color is given, directly we'll write down the number. Second digit also we'll write down the number. If there is third and fourth, there is no fifth band, so third one will go to multiplier. Second last will be always multiplier. So if it is black, we'll multiply by 1. If it is brown, we'll multiply by 10. For red, 100. And if it is golden, silver, we'll multiply with say 0.1 or 0.01. Depending upon the colors, we have to use the multiplier, right? For various colors, tolerance is also given. Like for brown, it is 1%. For red, it is 2%. We have to always remember this thing. So what we want you to do, we want you to make some quality circles among your friends. Make a group of 4-5 students and you explore the projects. After 1 or 2 experiments, we will share a link where you can find out the projects. Now what you have to do, you have to select a project, you have to collect the components and start making it at home. For that, time to time we will have guidance. So what will be your assignment? Today's assignment will be to note down all the slides whatever we have discussed so far on a paper as it is and upload it on the link provided, right? And we are going back to the virtual lab link, and the link is given in the description. You should practice that and you should make a quality circle group. So let us move back to the virtual lab. In virtual lab, for this experiment, for first experiment, there is no direct setup. So this is only familiarization with resistors. So we have some quiz kind of thing. So in the quiz, you have to click on the quiz. On quiz 1 and 2, 1 or 2 we will solve here, and remaining you have to try at home and take the snapshot and upload along with your assignment. So here in the quiz, first color codes are given. You can use the color bands here. So if this yellow, blue, violet, gray, white, all those colors are given, and along with that the table is also given here. So if you go down there is exercise. There are total 4, 5, 6 exercises are there. So we will solve any 2 or 3, and remaining you have to solve as practice. So let us see any one randomly. Say this third one. The first one is white, right? So what is the color of white? You go back to the table and check, or else remember the B.B. Roy of Great Britain stuff, right? So from there we will get the value of white. Then take the next value. Now what is this color? You should not get confused in the color. So someone may feel it is blue, someone may feel it is violet. We can go back and check here. So here we can see he is using blue like this and violet like this. So that one is violet, right? So violet number is 7. So first one is white. That is, for white the number is 9. So white is 9. Then next color is 7. Now third one is the multiplier, black. For black, what will be the multiplier? 1. So it will be 97 ohms. From right side you have to choose the unit, ohm. Now there is nothing is given for the tolerance. Fourth band is not there. So if nothing is there, then by default the tolerance will be 20%. That means if it is 97, and if we are giving plus or minus 20% variation in that 97 ohm, then also we can use this resistor. So we will check the answer here. We check the answer. So it is correct resistance value, unit is correct, and tolerance value is also correct. Similarly, we will see here the fourth one. Here we have more bands. We will see. So these first 2 colors. What are these 2 colors? We will go back to the table and see orange. So 2 colors are orange, that is 3, 3, right? And then after orange we have black. So for black and orange, for after black we have again the brown. The brown is 1. And what is the tolerance? The last band will be tolerance. It is not necessary that gold and silver will only be the tolerance. Here what is the tolerance? This color is, say, violet. So for violet you have 0.1. So we have to multiply the total answer with 0.1. If you note down the values and calculate, it will come around 3. We'll write it in the kilo ohms. It will be 3.3 kilo ohms. And tolerance is again tolerance for the last one, brown one, is 0.1. So we'll write down 0.1 here and we'll check the answer. So answer is correct. There is correct resistance value, correct unit, and correct tolerance value. So like this we can calculate the various values, right? So similarly you have to calculate the values of all other given codes here, right? And you have to solve this assignment. In assignment you have to note down all these presentation slides given today and you have to upload it. So we'll see next session. In next session we will see some other practical example and the next topics. Till then, have a good day.